And welcome the gathering. I now welcome our Executive Director MBDA, Dr. Sir Sachin Gawade, to give the welcome address.
Never happened in Meghalaya. So
also, I would like to welcome on stage.
The difference will come if you are able to instill that entrepreneurship, drive, confidence, capacity, and the technical support to them so that they become future entrepreneurs. Okay. Gone are the days you get government job or job very easily. Okay. So these are gold mines, and especially for the place where there are mine affected areas. MAP, Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, are one of the solutions for that. In fact, I'm sure that MBD has tried on a pilot basis. In fact, we have a huge potential for doing it. I would rather request Annamalai and Gawade to work together. And of course, आप तो पुराना आदमी से माहिर है, एक साथ करके मैं आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप एक महीने के अंदर माइन अफेक्टेड एरिया के लिए स्पेसिफिकली एक प्रोजेक्ट बना दीजिए। पैसे का कमी नहीं है, सरकार में कभी पैसे से कमी से काम रुकता नहीं, हिम्मत का कमी है, कमिटमेंट का कमी है, एंड शुरू करना सब आसान है, चलाना बहुत मुश्किल है।